everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 16th to 28th of February 2026 on Monday. Lily faces the crushing humiliation of Westville Correctional Service while Madongwe and her family crumble to save her from an impossible bail, and a silent war brews between Nkunzi and Kazimulo as a grandfather fights for connection and a grandson slips further out of reach on Tuesday. Lily's chagrin quickly turns into great astonishment when Saja joins her at a table. The congregation brings prayer to Madongwe, and Madlala takes the news of Nonka's 2 day shutdown badly on Wednesday. Nonka is worried about the award preparations when Jafta delivers a minor setback. Fikile believes Sbu and the church have done enough for the Kaba family. Lily gets a reading from Sasha without her permission on Thursday. Lily makes a move that threatens the little freedom she has left. Gejo's intervention at the Mhlongo backfires. Nonka abandoned Lily in her time of need on Friday. Sasha proved to be a valuable friend to Lily. The search for Mr. Dongwe is underway while Nonka and her aunt clash over what to prioritize. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.